What do I think? It's crazy that you can do this. I love the way it blends in. I love the cut. It's amazing. Oh my God, that is wild.
It's crazy. That looks like my hair. That is crazy.
Coming in, this being my first hair system, I thought it was gonna feel more like a hat or something like that, but it feels just like my natural scalp. I can't feel anything at all. I work at a gym, so I'm sure it's gonna be a revolving door of compliments. I'm astonished. The way it's blended in, the cut, the style, it's awesome.